Hi, welcome back on my Lego Build channel, and in this video I will show you new Lego Technic leaks for this new Lego 42146 Labor Crane 13,000, and these leaks are very special because it is only on this set and all the new news for this set. And first of all, thank you so much for the 200 subscribers, and thank you so much for this. But I think let's start. Let's look on this news. Also, you can give me like, or you can write some comments. Also, you can give me subscribe because we'll go to 250 subscribers. And I think let's start this video, and let's look on the first slide of this, the most expensive Lego Technic set ever released. Fine, this Lego Technic 42146 Liebherr LR 13,000 crane. This set has 2,883 pieces, and the final price will be $700, and the release date will be 1st August after because this set was released last August, same 1st August, but after this date, another date of this set was the February this year, but the final release date is 1st August this year, 2023. And also the price has been changed many times because it is the most expensive set ever released, but it is because there are some expensive pieces, and also all 6 motors, many functions there are, and other pieces also with the special weight pieces on the back of this set, and also that this set has Control Plus with all functions. And I think that's all for the price of this set, and let's look on the functions and design of this crane. And the functions and design of this Lego Technic crane. This set has 100 centimeters at high and 190 centimeters long, and also this set has 6 large motors, special weight pieces, many functions, and also 2 smart hubs and other special pieces. And the main functions of this set are the tank steering, rotating turntable, and mainly lifting jib, and also for another information for the weight pieces, which includes 0.9 kilogram weight. There are 24 weight pieces, these special pieces, and I think that's all for this. So that's all for the functions, and there are another Lego. There are another information for this set, another special information and plus information for this set. Fine, and I think that's all for this Lego Technic news and news for the last 2 months for this set. And I think also that's all for this video. Also sorry for my English and I think it will be better in new videos, but I I think it will be better in new videos, and I think that's all. I see you tomorrow at the new news. Bye.